and specifically to what we have really asked for. Thank you. I'm Ebel Chibok Osuya. I'm the Special Assistant to the Honorable Commissioner for Energy in Delta State. You see, to understand the problems we have, you have to know that Delta State is one of the major oil-producing states in Nigeria. We have a major power problem in a community that produces oil, Isoko. Another community too that produces oil within our state is in Dokwa local government area. These two areas are not enjoying stable power supply because of the source of carriage, that is, carrying the power from the major power station, that is Delta 4, into Isoko area. The line we now have from Uheli to Isoko area is being used to feed Uheli town, Bomadi local government area, and other villages along those routes. We don't have enough stable power supply within oil-producing communities in the area. Because of it, the state government now conceived a double-circuit 132 kV line coming from Delta 4 power station, passing through Uheli to Atwisere to Ozoro with a power transformer 30 MVA at Ozoro, where we will step down to 33 kV to feed both Isoko local government area and Ndokwa local government area. This project was awarded to Messrs. News Engineering Nigeria Limited with Oscar Joe and partners as consultants. Since the project was awarded, we've been having a lot of protestations from our people, calling for immediate completion, calling for urgent completion because they want to enjoy a stable power supply. Because of this, we have also been putting pressure on the executive contractor and the consultants. They in turn had to source for a reliable supplier, that is Supreme. Now, Supreme has performed very well from what I have seen from this inspection. Supreme has performed very well. Most of the components are ready for shipment to Nigeria. And I'm impressed with the standard of work. In fact, I want to assure Supreme that they will remain in the good books of Delta State after this project. We've also given them a time schedule, that is executive contractor, to make sure that this project is delivered not later than December 2010, so that our people can enjoy a stable and steady power supply using the new 132 kV line, so that they will know that they have a government that cares, a government that wants results, a government that wants to alleviate the suffering of our people in the power sector. Thank you very much.